to another interesting segment with O'Collins concept. Today I'll be introducing you to Pixellab. So without wasting any much of our time, let's go straight to the app. Okay. Okay. Now this is your Pixellab. As you can see, Pixellab. I believe you have installed the app in your phone. So this is your Pixellab, and this empty space here is called your Canva. Is where every of your design is being laid, your text and everything is being done on this Canva. Now, if you look at Pixellab, you see so many things, and you'll be like, "What are all these things for?" So first of all, I will start explaining from the top. I will explain these icons here. Then I will now go to these icons at the bottom. So let's move right into the first icon, which is this plus sign. So now when you click on this icon, you see text, current date, sticker, shapes from gallery, draw. Now here is where you can input text. If I click on this text, you will see I have new text here. Now if I click on current date, it will just input the current date for me here in a text. Now if I click sticker, you will see down here will open. You see different kind of stickers, which you can select any sticker you want. And okay, let me make the background white so that we can see this. Okay, so the next is shapes. This is where you can get all kinds of shapes, and if you click here, you can select different kinds of shape that are available on Pixellab. So you can see different kind of shapes. You just make your choice and click on good, then you draw it. Then to the next, which is from gallery. Now from gallery is to import an image or a PNG, a JPEG file or a PNG which you have already installed in your phone or which you downloaded from a website. Now once I click on that gallery, you see different pictures. Maybe I can import. Let me look for something to import. Okay, let's say I import this. So it will show me what is my scale, how do I want it. Do I want to like cut it, or do I want to just leave it whole like that? I can click here. This is where I clicked to make it circle. Can click here to make it circle and reduce or increase it. So once I'm done, I'll just click on OK, and I can draw it and fix it wherever I want. Now the last there is draw. This is where you can just freehand sketching, just a freehand sketching something, just draw and click on good, and it will convert to an object. Now the next is save, where you can save as project. Maybe you are done with your work, you save as project, write the name of your work here and click on OK, and it will save. Now you see also see save as image. Now save as image, you see format JPEG or dimension. Now most of the times, to get the best quality for social media flyers and stuff, so you have to change this. You have to change this to PNG and click on this. I hope you are seeing what I'm clicking on. I clicked on this. Click on it and use Ultra. So PNG Ultra. This PNG Ultra, like I said, is for social media. But if you want to print something, you have to select it, put it on JPEG, no transparency, and click on Save to Gallery. Now it will automatically save into your phone, and you can go to your pictures or your gallery and see where they are. Now the next button, which is share, is just for if you click on it, you can just share it to any social media handle or still save it normally. Then here is, hope you saw where I clicked on these three dots here. So if I click on it, you see use image from gallery is still the same thing as that plus sign where you can get your image from gallery. You see full screen to make your Canva full screen. I don't know if you're getting me. So then you see other features there which you can also explore. So because of time, I will not explain everything because of time. Let me just jump right into the main key features you'll be using, and which are these icons below. These icons below, those are the main keys you'll be using. So if you see, this first icon is for templates which has already been created or is already installed in your Pixellab. You see different templates, you can just make a choice of your own and click on it to start editing. Now to the next icon, which is this alphabetic icon here. Now if I click on it, you see this is where you can edit your text. This is where you can edit your text, provided you have selected a text. Now as you can see, this text here is selected because it's showing a rectangular box around it, meaning it's selected. But if I click just on an empty Canva, it will deselect and you will not see anything, and you see that here has changed. Those features that you saw before are no more here. But if I select the text, you will see those features again. But if I click on an empty Canva and nothing is selected, you will see that those features are no more here again. Now I can click here and click on edit and write something, just write anything. Then I can click here, these two capital letter T's, but one is a little bit smaller. I can click here to capitalize my work. So once I click on it, you see everything will just go to caps lock, everything will just capitalize. So I can click on it to capitalize, and I can also click on it back to put it in smaller cases. Then once I'm done, click on OK and you see my text. So there are also other features here like this. You can use it to place your object or your text at the perfect center of the Canva, or at the center of the Canva. So you can use here to increase your size or reduce your size. This icon, you can use it for color, give your text a color. As you can see, the text is changing colors and so on. So there are so many things which I can't really explain in this video. So let me go to the next icon, which is sorry about that, which is this icon here. Now this icon is mostly for shapes. Now let me impute a shape here. Now this icon is for text, remember, and this icon now is for shapes. Now you can see this shape here. You see different features like I can put color on the shape and click on good, or I can select another color, or I can still go to gradient. Gradient simply means combining two colors to form kind of a color palette or something like that. So you can see different type of colors and click on good to select anyone. Now remember, just the same thing as text. If the shape is not selected, you will not see any of those features you do see here. But if the text the shape is selected, you will see those icons here. Now let's move over to the next icon here. Next icon here, which is this one. Now this icon is for the Canva. From here you can just automatically change the color of your Canva immediately. As you can see, the color of my Canva is changing. Or you make it transparent. Maybe you want to save your work as PNG, or you click image size. You have the size of something you want to work on. Maybe let me say 3x4. You see the size of my Canva has changed. Is now looking smaller. So that's where you can change your image size, and Here is also the same thing, like from gallery, select something from gallery to load now. Yes, select something from gallery. Yes, and input it here. And that stuff you selected from gallery will now automatically be the background of your Canva. And the last but not the least, sorry I'm rushing it because of time, this. So this here is also for the Canva, but it has some kind of interesting features. So you have something like the noise, the stripes, the brightness, the contrast, and others. So this if I click on this and click here, you see there's a kind of black outside shadows which you can increase or you can reduce it, just make it beautiful or something like that, so that maybe your audience can concentrate on a particular item or object in the center of your Canva which you want them to look at mostly. So you can work on the stripes, just to input stripes. I believe you can see the stripes. You're seeing what? Yeah. So yeah, these are cool features here you can use to play around in Pixellab. You can see what's going on. So these are cool features you can use to play around in Pixellab. So I believe you learned something from this, because I'll be stopping here. So I believe you did learn something from here. It's still O Collins concept. Thank you.